Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the negative emotions for installing love. They are past hurt, second low esteem, third growth, and fourth resentment. Right? They all are negative emotions. So, if you want to install love, the first thing is to remove all this, because they become hurdles. They are obstacles for installing love. So, a lady customer has a problem. She asked a question to the service representative. Sir, what should I do? I want to install love, but these all are negative emotions and they should be erased. They should be removed. Customer service representative guides her, Madam, you should not worry. Don't mind. If you want to install love can very easily erase past hurt. It can very easily erase past hurt. Here we see the meaning of erase. Erase means to rub out, rub away. To erase, that means to rub out. Example, suppose this is a mark of a pencil. A mark of a pencil. Now I am rubbing it. Now I am erasing it. Okay? To erase means to rub out. Customer service representative tells her, Madam, love can very easily erase past hurt. Second thing, it will remain in your permanent memory. It will override. It will override low esteem. It will override low esteem with a module of high esteem. First thing, love will very easily erase past hurt. Second thing, love, it will override low esteem with a module of high esteem. Here we see the meaning of low esteem. Low esteem means less respect for self. It will override low esteem with a module of high esteem. Meaning of high esteem, that means enough respect. Keep it in your mind. The meaning of two new words. Low esteem, that means less respect for self. High esteem, that means enough respect for self. Here we can see the use of enough. I am strong. enough to lift this bag. I am strong enough. I am clever enough to pass. I am clever enough to pass. I am strong enough to run, enough to jump. These are meanings clearly. So what does love do? First, it will very easily erase past hurt. Second thing, it will override. Here, let us see the meaning of override. Override. Suppose low stream. It will override the modulo of high stream. Override. Clear? Okay. Two things. Erase. Now love remains in a permanent memory. It will not disturb other programs. There are two other programs. Which are they? So they are root. And second, resentment. So, what does a customer do? This both should be turned off. This both should be shut off. If she wants to install love. Again, a lady customer faces new problem. Sir, what should I do? How can I turn this both off? How can I shut off this? Then, a customer service representative guides her. Madam, you have to go to start menu. You have to go there. Your start menu. There you have to invoke. You have to activate forgive.s. You have to activate evoke. Evoke means to activate. You have to go to your start menu. Then you have to evoke, activate. What? Forgiveness. There you have to activate it as many times as necessary. Do it again and again. Very often you have to do. Very often you have to invoke. Very often you have to invoke forgiveness. T. These both have fully been erased. Again and again, invoke it. Again and again, activate forgiveness. These both root and resentment have fully been erased. Then it will be possible for you to install love. A lady customer has invoked many times forgiveness. Okay? And then he has been successful. Then she has been successful. And love has started installing. Now love has started installing automatically. She has been successful. Right? Next, what happens? C. Love has started installing. So, she has been successful. Here, a customer service representative suggests her, Madam, there is a message. There is a message. Can you see? There is a message about reinstalling love. Can you see? If you can see, tell me. Lady customer informs him, yes sir, I have already seen the message. I have already seen the message of reinstalling love. So, customer service representative again asked her, Madam, this is a paying program. Now love has already started installing. This is a paying program, and now you have to connect it with other hearts. You have to connect it with other hearts. This is a message of reinstalling. After hearing a customer service representative, a lady customer has tried to reinstall love. She has tried to connect it with other hearts. But as soon as she has tried, as soon as she tries to connect it with other hearts, she sees there is error message. There is an error message. So again she is put in confusion. Again, she is urgently in need of having customer service representatives guide. So again, she asks a question, sir, I have tried to connect it with other hearts, but there is an error message. There is an error message. What should I do? How can I reinstall love? How can I connect it with other hearts? Customer service representative wants to know about an error message. He asks her, Madam, what kind of error message? Please inform me. What does it say? What does it say? Please tell me. Then a lady customer informs him about an error message. It says error 412 program. Error 412 program not run on internal components. It does not run on internal components. What should I do in this condition? What is the meaning of this message? What is the meaning of this message? Error 412 program not run on internal components. What is the meaning of this message? And then customer service representative guides her very simply. He guides her very simply. Madam, don't worry. You need to worry. You should not worry because this is a common problem. This is a common problem. Hear me. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of this error message? It says that love is set up. Madam, it says, this message says that love is set up to run systems. Now love is ready. Now love is set up to run on external hearts. Okay? But it doesn't run on your own heart. This is very important thing. Error message. It says you. What does it say? It says that love is set up to run on external hearts. It is ready to connect on other hearts, external hearts, but it doesn't run on your own heart. So, what should you do? What should you do? It doesn't run on your own heart. So, very first thing is, you have to love your own machine. You have to love your own machine, your own heart. Then you will be able to love others. First, love yourself. First, love yourself, and then you will be able to love others. Be comfortable with yourself, then you be comfortable with others. So this is a great message. Love is ready. Love is ready to install with other hearts. But first thing, you have to love your own machine, and then you will be able to love others. Okay? Understand? Right. Now, the lady has tried to love own heart. She has tried and she has been successful. But here, she has a question. Sir, how? How can I go there? How can I love my heart? How can I love my heart? Please show me the way. Here again, a customer service representative guides her. Madam, what should you do? Hear me. You have to find out the directory. You have to find out the directory named self-acceptance. You have to find a directory. What kind of directory? Self-acceptance. Self-acceptance. Okay? After going there, after finding this directory, you have to click on. You have to click on the following files. You have to click on the following files and my heart. After clicking, you have to copy with my heart. Once again, hear me. If you want to love yourself, what you should do? At first, you have to find out directory. Name self-acceptance. You have to find out a directory named self-acceptance. After finding it, you have to click on. You have to click on the following files and then copy them. Copy them with my heart. My heart. Here we have to see the meaning of directory. means a book having name and address. Directory means it is one kind of a book having name and address. A lady customer has found directory name self acceptance. Then she has also clicked other files, then copy them to my heart. As soon as she did this, she has found that there is a new system. After finding this, after doing this, she has found that there is a new system. There are new programs. Which are they? She found that there are new programs. Which are they? Forgiveness. There are new programs. Forgiveness. Self-esteem. Self-esteem. Realized worth and goodness. After finding a self-acceptance directory, after clicking and copying, what did she find? She found that new system, new programs are running, and which are they? Forgiveness, self-esteem, realize worth, value of life, value of self, and goodness. These things she has found. These all are positive emotions. They all are positive emotions. That means love has fully installed. A lady customer feels very happiness. A lady customer finding all these: forgiveness, self-esteem, realize worth, and goodness. New system she found. After finding these files, after finding these programs, she feels very happiness, and she exclaimed with surprise. Lady customer exclaimed with surprise, "Oh, my heart is really filling up with new programs. My heart is filling up with new programs. Really, I feel happiness. Filling with new programs." And there is Smile MPG. Smile MB is playing on my monitor. Smile MPG is playing on my monitor, and really love has fully installed. I have been successful to install love. My heart is really filling up with new programs like forgiveness, self-esteem, realized worth and goodness. These all are positive emotions. All are positive emotions. They all show that there is no negative emotion in your heart. And now love fully in stop. Okay, there is another thing. She also fails. What does she fail? She also fails. What? Good qualities. They are peace, warmth, and contentment. She also sees these qualities: peace, warmth, one kind of love, warmth, and contentment. That means satisfaction. Now she feels that now I am able to live life worth. She feels happiness, she enjoys, but at last what happens? At last a customer service representative suggests her, madam, at last what should be known? What should be known? What should we remember? Look, love is freeware. Love is a freeware. Here, the meaning of freeware. Look, you don't have to pay any. You don't have to pay any money. Love is a freeware. What you should do? You have to share it. You have to share it with others whom you meet. Love is a freeware. It is a freeware thing. It is a freeware thing. You don't have to pay any money for it. What you should do then? You have to share it with other people whom you meet. Right? The other people, they also share it with some other, and thus love is reinstalled. Love is reinstalled, and you have been able to live a life that is worth, that is useful, that is fruitful, and that is successful. Okay, so at last I want to convey the message of can you install love. This title is very suggestive. Title is very informative. Title very suggestive, very informative, and it contains highly philosophical value. Title is appropriate. Title is sound. Title is apt because it suggests the great message. It suggests the great message to live worth life. And if it happens so, you will be able to say that life is what? Love is life is love. Because it suggests title, suggestive, informative and highly philosophical value. So share it to the other, they will also share it with other, and third, it is reinstalled. It is reinstalled because sharing is the most important thing. Sharing is the most important thing to live. So accept it, you must follow it instead of selling. Instead of selling, only sharing is the most important thing to